change those things to become a blessing in your life.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Peninnah mocked Anna. Anna was someone that was not having a child. Maybe she could have been seated in a comfort zone with the husband, as the husband would be using hand to rub her and be saying, "Don't worry, I'm okay. I love you more than any other thing. You are more than every other children. You are good." But by the time she was being mocked, by the time the mate continued to mock at her, it was that very time she realized that this is not good. She needs to change her level. She needs to move out from her comfort zone and be discomfort and start to pray. And by the time she started praying, it was that time that all the debts in her life, all the nyama in her life, all the nonsense in her life were being gathered to be placed in one place and to be thrown away. Actually, the prayer was being heard by God. Even when people were looking at her that she was mad, or she has been a drunkard, or she's not doing what is right, because it's supposed to be a calmness, but she was not exaggerating it because it was something from inside of her heart. The Bible says at that very time, the priests said her, "You shouldn't have gotten drunk to the church. Why are you still praying when other people have seated? Why are you still praying when people are going away? Why are you communicating when nobody is listening?" But at that very time, he said, "I am not drunk. I'm only expressing what is inside of me." And that was where the priest knew that she was talking, communicating, talking to someone that is above every other man in this world. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
And it was the priest that gave amen to that prayer and said, "So shall it be according to your need." And then the Bible says, thereafter the woman conceived and gave birth to a child called Samuel. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
This is something that we should understand, that in every situation in your life, whatever thing that you are passing through, whatever area that people use to mock at you, it is not for you to sit down and relax and be saying it is well. You have to fight. You have to fight. You have to fight until you get it right. And by the time you get it right, you will silence your mockers. I don't know if you are hearing what I'm saying.
Yes.
By the time you get it right, you will silence your mockers.
Amen.
The reason is because they will not have any other thing to mock at you. Instead, they will not be looking for a new thing. But that particular thing they were using to mock at you before, you have already passed that test. Hallelujah.
Amen.
So life has been arranged in order for you to move forward. It is not for you to go backward. Because when people mock at you, it is not for you to go down and be crying. It is for you to stand up and fight for yourself. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Brothers and sisters, we are living in a world full of troubles, in a world full of wickedness. But God is still helping His own, and is still protecting His own children. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Hallelujah. Can we see the book of John chapter 16, verse 33? Jesus Christ was telling His disciples and the people that were around to understand that as far as you live in this world, you are going to face a lot of troubles. Can someone read that place for me? John chapter 16, verse 33.
These things I have spoken unto you.
These things I have spoken unto you, that in me, Jesus,
ye might have peace
you will have peace.
in the world.
But in the world,
ye shall have tribulation.
you will have troubles, tribulations.
But be of good cheer.
Do not be disturbed. Be of good cheer.
I have overcome the world.
I have already overcome the world. If God says he has overcome the world, it means that he has won the battle already. Amen.
Amen.
So every other thing becomes nonsense.